Hi my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. So today we are so excited because we are in a festive mood and we are going to show you various simple centerpieces that you can do for the holiday season. It's going to involve candles, faux flower petals, Christmas ornaments, and just a variety of things that you can use to make a simple centerpiece on your table. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. All right, as indicated, we're gonna make some simplistic centerpieces. Now this one, my friend, is one of my favorites. So what we've done here, we've taken some of the glass mirrors from the Dollar Tree and we laid them on the runner that's on the table. We've also gotten some of these silver plates from Dollar Tree and we just folded a white napkin inside. Now here is what really makes the table special. We got these goblets from At Home, the taller one. The medium-sized goblet we got from Walmart, and the crystal candle holders, we got those from At Home. And the partridge in a pear tree we got from Walmart. Put it all together and it makes for a lovely centerpiece. Very festive. It definitely brings out the holiday, and I tell you, it is something special. And all we did was place in these items silver ornaments. It is really a beautiful sight, and your guests will be happy to sit and dine at this festive table with beautiful centerpieces. Not too tall, you're not looking over anything, trying to interact with your guests, and it looks amazing. One of my favorites. Placing Christmas lights across this festive centerpiece really adds an elegant touch. The lights reflect the silver from the ornaments and the mirrors. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy holidays.